Welcome back, everybody. Today, I'm going to teach you how to create a DigitalOcean account. Whether you're looking to deploy your first cloud server or explore powerful hosting solutions for your projects, setting up your DigitalOcean account is the essential first step to accessing their cloud infrastructure. First, open your web browser and navigate to cloud.digitalocean.com. This will bring you directly to the DigitalOcean homepage where you can begin the registration process. Once the page loads, take a moment to locate the upper right panel of the screen. Here you'll find the Sign Up button prominently displayed. Go ahead and click on it to proceed to the registration page. Now, before you can choose your preferred sign-up method, there's an important step you need to complete. You'll notice a checkbox that needs to be selected first. Make sure to check this box before moving forward. This is a required step that ensures you've agreed to the terms before creating your account. After checking the box, you'll see several sign-up options available. DigitalOcean offers you the flexibility to sign up using your Google account, your GitHub account, or simply with your email address. Choose the method that works best for you based on how you prefer to manage your accounts. If you want to sign up with your Google account, click on Sign Up with Google. This option streamlines the process by using your existing Google credentials. Once you click it, you'll be prompted to select your Google account from the list. Choose the account you want to associate with DigitalOcean, then click Continue. This method saves time since you won't need to manually enter your details or create a new password. Alternatively, if you prefer to sign up with email, click on that option instead. This will open up a registration form where you'll need to provide some basic information. Start by entering your full name in the designated field. Next, type in your email address, the one you want to use for your DigitalOcean account. Finally, create a strong password that you'll use to access your account in the future. Make sure it's something secure yet memorable. Once you've filled in all these fields, click the Sign Up button to complete the registration. And that's it. You've successfully created your DigitalOcean account, and you're now ready to explore their cloud platform and start deploying your projects. If you found this video helpful, please leave a like, subscribe, and see you in the next video.